Hello everyone, this will be our last video of the creature design and sculpting course in Zbrush. I have been quite sick lately, so it took a little bit of time to finish this video, and I hope all of you have enjoyed all the videos that I have published so far. And as we have already talked about most of the things related to sculpting, now the only thing remaining is poly painting. It is actually quite simple. Let's change the material right now to skin shader. In skin shader we can see the colors a lot more properly. I'm going to explain the simple poly painting in Zbrush really quickly, and then we will go and paint into our creature that we created during this video. So it is actually quite simple. It is just like painting, digitally. If you have painted in Photoshop or any other software, then it will be a lot easier for you. So let's see. The shortcut is BPA for paint, or if you forgot, just type B and it is here. You can see the paint function. Just click here, and now as you can see, whichever color we choose, it is being applied to our soft tool here. So let's just add white, and in color we apply fill object. Now it will not change. Now with the paint brush on, let's go here. Let's turn off the symmetry for now, and now we can easily paint. As you can see, it is in white, so we can't see anything. So let's go this color. You see, it is just like digital painting in Photoshop or Clip Studio or anything, at any software that you have painted, but in a three-dimensional shape or in a three-dimensional object. As you can see below paint, here is this stroke dots written. So with this we can change how we apply our paint. Right now it is in stroke. I usually use freehand or color. Let's go with serially from dot. This is the one we are using. It is really simple. If we go to the drag one, what it does is, let's apply another color. You see, whichever alpha is on, if we reduce the focal shift to the negative position, and you can see we can easily stamp any design we want to. Let's say if our character has some kind of a tattoo, right? We can easily create a mask, a black and white mask, just like here. A lot of the pattern you see. Let's use this one, and then we can bring it here with import. If we click import here, we can bring in any design we want to, and we can just apply it. It's really simple and easy. Now with the freehand, it is just like before. It's just freehand. We are just painting it as if we are painting with a brush. We can use any one in here, and we can also create our own. Let's create an empty one for now. Fill object. And this one is color spray. What it does is it gives a slight variation. As you can see, there is this slightly orangey, slightly pinkish here, right here, right? Slightly purplish hue. It just gives few variation to the color. Let's apply a simple one. You see, in this one it is just plain red, right? But in the color spray one, let's do it here. You can see the slight variation, right? So you can use any one you want to. If you want slight color variation, you can use the color spray, and we have also different types of menus here. Adjustment, I usually leave it to default, but we can also try it. and create different looks with it. As you can see, it is a lot more spread apart, right? We also have scaling, we also have color here, and how much different colors we want, right? Keep it minimum. We can just choose whichever we want to do. Yes. If we keep it to 0, you can see there is no variation. So if you want variation, just slightly increase it. And the spray is just the same thing as this one, but it doesn't give different hues, right? Like in here it has different colors. It is more about saturation for this one, as you can see, like this. It's the same thing, just like this, but it just has different saturation. And the drag dot is also similar, but it just has multiple dots applied. So I usually use these two and this one if I want certain type of a pattern, right? If you want to apply it. So yeah, that's it, right? It is very simple. Poly painting in ZBrush. It is basically like digital painting but in a 3D surface. And also, if we want to click a certain color, let's say I want this yellow, right? What we can do is press C. You see how the color of here, this one has changed. Let's go freehand. You see, now let's say I want this one. If we just press C, you see the color here have changed. So like this, we can easily pick up any color we want to, like this. So yeah guys, that's it. Poly painting is actually not that difficult and it's just really simple. Inside ZBrush, we do need high faces here, right? You can see. Wait, I will show you. And let's apply color. If we have, you can see limited poly counts here. When we try to paint it, right? You can see all this fading right here. It is because the polygons are really limited. Inside ZBrush, what it does is, you see each and every vertex. That vertex is the one that picks color inside of ZBrush. It doesn't apply on top of it. It actually applies the color in each individual vertex. As you can see, it is started to fade out in these vertices, right? So if we want it to be really nice and crisp, we have to divide it and increase it. Now you can see, before we had 8,000 right here, and now we have 500,000. So let's see, right? This is the same brush that we used. We haven't changed anything. This one is a lot more crisper. Let's use this one. You see, this one is a lot more crisper. So that's it. It is really simple actually. It is not that difficult to paint on it. For this creature that we have created, I didn't really do any kind of complicated texturing or anything. Just applied very simple colors and picked up very simple shades that will look similar to our skin, right? But as our creature is slightly bloated, so I wanted to make it swollen or even bruised. So you can see different patches of discoloration I have used in it. And I hope you guys have enjoyed the video so far. And I guess that's it for today. And our course for creature design and creature sculpting in ZBrush has come to an end. And I would like to thank all of you for supporting me and watching all my videos and being part of the Devil's Art Club. I hope I was able to help you, give some kind of a information that will be useful in your future. So that's it guys, and have a good day.